Come with me to my very first ever Blackpink concert. Tapos nasama pa nga sa Ultimate Fan Experience. Ultimate Fan Experience. So it's my first time attending a Blackpink concert. What are your advice for me?
Just enjoy.
Just enjoy. Enjoy.
Don't forget to
This success is made possible by Visa. We are the official payments partner.
So guys, ito yung hors d'oeuvres nila. Sadly guys, yung tour, hindi pwede mag-picture tsaka mag-video. So, ikukwento ko na lang. Ay, wait lang, may tinga ako. Ayan, okay na. Ikukwento ko na lang kung ano yung nakita. Pa-start na kasi papatanggal na nila yung
1 hour later.
So guys, yung nakita namin doon, first yung stage. Yung stage na sobrang lapit na wala pang tao. Tapos pangalawa, di ba kumakain si Rosé ng mga local delicacies? Nakita namin kung saan yung tunnel, kung saan siya kumakain. Tapos alam niyo ba guys, may CR sa likod ng stage for artists only. Tama nga naman, no, paano kasi di ba kung wari bigla kang naihi, di ba? Wala na to. Suit bag, Blackpink shirt.